Hello everyone! Experiencing the frustrating Windows cannot access the specified device path or file error? Stay tuned and we've got a quick fix for you. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. First things first, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Once in Settings, click on Update and Security. We're on our way to resolving that pesky error. Within the Update and Security menu, locate and click on Windows Security. Now, click on Apps and Browser Control. We're narrowing down to find that fix. Within Apps and Browser Control, find and click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. We're closing in on the solution. Now, the crucial step, uncheck Block Apps, and voila! Your problem should be fixed. And that's it, folks. A straightforward solution to the Windows cannot access the specified device path or file error. If this helped you out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tech content. Until next time, bye-bye!